Muskogee is the 11th largest city in Oklahoma and the county seat of Muskogee County. Home to Bacone College, it lies approximately 48 miles southeast of Tulsa. The population of the city was 39,223 as of the 2010 census, a 2.4% increase from 38,310 in 2000. French fur traders were believed to have established a temporary village near the future Muskogee in 1806. But the first permanent European-American settlement was established in 1817 on the south bank of the Verdigris River, north of present-day Muskogee. After the passage of the Indian Removal Act of 1830 under President Andrew Jackson, the Muskogee Creek Indians were one of the 5 civilized tribes forced out of the American Southeast to Indian Territory. They were accompanied by their slaves to this area. The Indian Agency, a 2-story stone building, was built here in Muskogee. It was a site for meetings among the leaders of the 5 civilized tribes. Today it serves as a museum at the top of what is known as Agency Hill. It is within Honor Heights Park on the west side of Muskogee. In 1872, the Missouri-Kansas-Texas Railroad was extended to the area. A federal court was established in Muskogee in 1889. Around the same time that Congress opened portions of Indian Territory to non-native settlers via land rushes. The city was incorporated on March 19, 1898. Ohio native Charles N. Haskell moved to the city in Children March 1901. He was instrumental in building on the land rush. He stimulated expansion of the city of more than 4,000 people to a center of business and industry. By 1910, with a population of more than 25,000 inhabitants, Haskell built the first 5-story business block in Oklahoma Territory. He built and owned 14 brick buildings in the city. Most importantly, he organized and built most of the railroads running into the city, which connected it to other markets and centers of population, stimulating its business and retail, and attracting new residents. As Muskogee's economic and business importance grew, so did its political power. In the years before the territory was admitted as a state, the 5 civilized tribes continued to work on alternatives to keep some independence from European Americans. They met together August 21, 1905 to propose the state of Sequoia, to be controlled by Native Americans. They met in Muskogee to draft its constitution, planning to have Muskogee serve as the state's capital. The proposal was vetoed by U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt and mostly ignored by Congress. The proposed state of Sequoia was never authorized. The U.S. admitted the state of Oklahoma to the Union on November 16, 1907 as the 46th state. Muskogee was the operational headquarters for what became known as the Muskogee Roads, being 4 regional rail carriers under common management. The first was the Midland Valley Railroad, chartered in 1903. The 3 carriers surviving until 1963 was sold to the Texas and Pacific, which was a subsidiary of the Missouri Pacific Railroad. Muskogee was on the route of the Jefferson Highway established in 1915. That road ran more than 2,300 miles from Winnipeg, Manitoba, to New Orleans, Louisiana. Muskogee attracted national and international attention when, in May 2008, voters elected John Tyler Hammons as mayor. 19 years old at the time of his election, Hammons is among the youngest mayors in American history. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 38.8 square miles is water. Muskogee is near the confluence of the Arkansas River, Verdigris River and Grand River. Historically, the area around this confluence has been called 3 Rivers. Muskogee lies in the Arkansas River Valley and has a low sea level elevation compared to much of the rest of the state. The city is on the boundary of the oak and hickory forest region of eastern Oklahoma and the prairie Great Plains region of northeastern Oklahoma. It is a suburban community of Tulsa. The city's climate is considerably warmer and more humid than other parts of the state. These data were accessed through the WRCC and were compiled over the years 1905 to 2016. The record high occurred in August 1936, and the record low in 1905. Muskogee is a soft spot for floods. In May 2019, waters rose more than 42 feet on the Arkansas River. Those levels had not been reached since 1943. The USS Batfish docked at the city's military hub or broke free on the river. 2 barges filled with tons of phosphate broke loose and threatened to break the dam they were heading towards. Weber Falls was ordered to evacuate immediately. As of the census of 2000, there were 38,310 people, 15,523 households, and 9,950 families residing in the city. The population density was 1,026.0 people per square mile. There were 17,517 housing units at an average density of 469.1 per square miles. The racial makeup of the city was 61.12% white, 17.90% African American, 12.34% Native American, 0.90% Asian, 0.02% Pacific Islander, 1.57%